Today's recipe will be Vietnamese fish soup, Canh cá Nấu Ngót. Ingredients you'll need are: the written recipe is in the description box and also on my blog. First, you need to rinse the fish steaks and then marinate it. Add 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, some minced garlic and black pepper. Cover with plastic wrap and let it sit for 10 minutes. Now you need to cut 2 tomatoes, cut some Chinese celery about 2 to 3 inches long, now cut some green onions about 2 to 3 inches long as well, then set aside. In the pan, add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Saute for a few seconds and add in the tomatoes. Mix and add in half a teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of kosher salt. Mix on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes and remove from heat. In a pot, add in 5 cups of water. Add in the cooked tomatoes. Add in 1 teaspoon of tamarind powder. Half a teaspoon of kosher salt. And 1 teaspoon of sugar. Bring to a high simmer and add in the marinated fish and the onions and Chinese celery. Let it cook until the fish are done. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove and serve. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and thank you so much for watching.